Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Bianca and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Bianca. I love all of your DIY videos and decor tips. I am planning a small intimate wedding soon. I was originally going to pay for real flowers until I stumbled across your videos. I now feel inspired that I can achieve the same look without spending tons of money on real flowers. Bianca, I'm here to tell you, you absolutely can. Instead of the lanterns in the middle of the table, I just want lots of candles. Well, Bianca, I'm happy to say that we're going to show you how to create this beautiful cascading look for a fraction of the cost. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Cascading Rose Garland. All right, guys, let's get to it. So what I love about this particular garland is that not only is it a wire stem, but there's also wire in the leaves. So you can manipulate it in so many different ways. Now I always buy 2 of these 6-foot garlands because I take one and I cut it in half and extend one end of it so that you can create that cascading effect with the garland. And the other half of it, I take pieces of stems and I fill in any empty spaces to make the garland look extra full. It's a super simple process to attach the artificial flowers. You're going to first remove the stem, add a dab of hot glue, and then just simply take one of the wire stems and wrap it around the base of your flower. And once the glue dries, it is not going anywhere. You don't have to worry about it falling out or flying away in the wind. Now that you've attached all your flowers, you're ready to go ahead and add your Dollar Tree tapered glass candlesticks. And I just simply tuck them into between leaves and I kind of do them at an offset so that gives your candles more dimension instead of just doing the candles straight across. But it's really your preference. So I've put 2 options for LED candles in the description below with all the other supplies. The ones that I'm using here are definitely more expensive, but they have a more realistic look because they are wrapped in wax and the actual tip flickers. But you also have the less expensive option in the description below with the supplies as well. Well, Bianca, how did we do? It's absolutely gorgeous. I hope you like it as much as we do. What I also love about this particular centerpiece is its versatility. You could take it and you could drape it over an archway. You could drape it on the altar. You could even have it coming down the sides of your aisle for your bridal walk. I mean, it's just very versatile. So you could take this one piece and use it in so many different ways on your special day. Well, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you would want an extra special notification, click on that little bell right in the corner and you'll get a notification the moment our videos are posted. In addition to that, if you have any questions or you want to just drop us a nice comment, we love your words of encouragement. You can do that. Just go ahead and do that right there in the comment section. And don't forget, all of the supplies are in, all the links to the supplies are in the description below. You simply have to just click on that little show more, I think it says, with a little arrow, and you will have all of the links for all of the products at your fingertips. If you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? It is so simple. Head on down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. Don't miss out on free money, especially when you're buying these supplies for these projects. You can absolutely do this on a budget. It was such a pleasure doing this for you. I'm so excited to say that we have reached our fantastic goal of over 100,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you. I'm just really kind of overwhelmed by it all, and just overwhelmed by the amount of support and the opportunity to get to help more and more people. That is why we do this. It is to help people create the weddings, parties, and events of their dreams. And we are so appreciative that you are allowing us to come into your households every single month. Don't forget to head over to our website, MissPlanet.com, for more cost-saving tips and awesome blog posts to help you create the wedding or event of your dreams. In addition to that, you can click on our project request tab right there on our website and submit your request for a project. Now remember, do it sooner than later because our schedule fills up so fast. We're almost full for the whole year. So please, if there's something you would like us to help you with, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, click on the project request tab, and follow the very simple steps. All right, guys, our time has come to an end. So with that, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.